Hey guys, I was just wanting to give you all an update on the bike repair station. And so I'm up here now, and so right here is going to be where we're putting it in. It will be about 4x8 cement pad with the bike repair station on it. We're about halfway there with the money-wise. Later today, I'll be selling Gatorades at the bike festival, so if any of you happen to be there, then you can get your Gatorades or Izzy's, just some cold drinks from me. And I sold them yesterday and made about $200, and so it's going great. And so I'd just like to thank all of you for your help and contribution to help to this Eagle Scout project of mine to put a bike repair station out here. Thank you.